Welcome to Everyday Cookbook. Today we are going to cook a fried salmon with a grapefruit Hollandaise sauce that is finger-licking good. To start, the first thing we are going to need is a pan like this. We are going to make a wine reduction for our Hollandaise sauce. I'll add white wine, white vinegar, small onion and sprig of thyme and cook over medium heat for 2 minutes. Then we strain it and discard the solids. On the other hand, in a small pot, we are going to put 2 sticks of butter. We'll melt them over low heat, and when it's more or less like this, we'll transfer it to a pitcher, being careful not include the white sediment at the bottom. We only want the yellow part. Now, to make our grapefruit Hollandaise sauce, we are going to use a bain-marie, more or less like this. We are going to add egg yolks, grapefruit juice, grapefruit zest, and we mix it, more or less like this, guys. Then we add half of our wine reduction and whisk. When it looks more or less like this, we're going to add our butter little by little. Halfway through, we add our finely chopped chives and the rest of the butter. And keep whisking until we find the texture we are looking for. We add black pepper and I use the salt, and that's it. Our grapefruit Hollandaise sauce is ready. Now, to prepare our salmon, we are going to cut our fillet into 3 pieces and put plenty of olive oil in each piece. We can use a brush to help, and then we'll season each piece with salt and pepper on both sides. Ready. Now in one of these pans, don't miss this, we heat it over high heat. Once it is hot, we add a drizzle of olive oil and place our fish skin side down. Right at this moment, we lower the heat to medium and press down lightly for the first 10 seconds. After 5 minutes, we flip it and cook for another 4 to 5 minutes. It's important not to keep moving it. To accompany the fish, we are going to make some baby broccoli. We just add olive oil, grapefruit juice, salt, pepper, and a teaspoon of butter. Cook with the lid for about 8 minutes until it looks more or less like this. When our fish is ready, we take it out and let it rest for 5 minutes. Then we add our baby broccoli to the same pan. 1 minute more. After that, our baby broccoli is ready. To plate, first we place our baby broccoli, more or less like this. We place our fish fillet on top and drench in our grapefruit Hollandaise sauce. And to top it off, we add a few grains of pink peppercorn, and it's ready. Our salmon with grapefruit Hollandaise is donna caperona.
Excelente, chefe.